we have log base 2 of x plus 1 minus log base 2 of x minus 4 equals 3. Things that you want to ask yourself first is, do they have the same base? The base, see a 2 here and a 2 here, so they have the same base, which means I can use the division property of logs, which is log base A over x divided by y equals log base A x minus log base A of y. Well, it's in this form here. So I'm gonna take it back to this form here. So we're going backwards. So now we can rewrite this as log base 2 x plus 1 over x minus 4 equals 3.
The question the kids gonna have problem with is that they're gonna look at, is that distributed property? Cause if you saying work backwards, they gonna assume that if you say log A is over x over y, they gonna look at, oh, so I can distribute log with x and I can distribute with y.
So now it's like, okay, if you're talking about distributed property, if I distribute out this log base A, is that the same as x over y? So it's not, that's what you would point out, so that's why it's not distributed property. This is just one of those rules in math. So once you get past that with the kids and you explain it's a rule, and we come to here, then they say, well, what can I do with this log? Like it's in the way. So to change from this log, from log to e, because we're in exponential functions as well, we normally teach the two together. If y is equal to b to the x, then x equals log b of y. Coming back to you, remember a long time ago? Years ago. So we're gonna change this out, because we have our, I wanna change colors too. So we're changing this log, and of course this is algebra, whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other side. Identify your parts from here. This is our here, and then we have our log b, and this is our y. This becomes x plus 1 over x minus 4, not 3.
Okay. Log
2, 2, 3. Here's the math. What's too cute? And we want to solve for x. Now here's where the fun part comes, because well, I'm not going to say fun, it's the boring part actually. We're going to multiply both sides.
Hold up. So the kid's gonna wonder why you're taking the x minus 4 out of the denominator and pulling it up with the numerator.
All right, so we are multiplying by the reciprocal. So this is like an x minus 4 sitting over 1. I can put it over 1 here. Put this over 1 here, precision. And you can tell them when you divide a fraction, you flip the denominator. You multiply by its reciprocal. And so since this is the reciprocal, we're gonna multiply that on both sides. This becomes just x plus 1 here. And then we wanna distribute our 8 to both sides there. So that becomes 8x minus 32. And then we can choose which one we wanna move. I'm gonna move my 32 over here. And then I'm gonna move the x over here.
Which is gonna give me 33 equals 7x.
Yes.
Divide 7 on both sides.
Divide the 7 on both sides.
So 7 into 33.
And we'll leave it as x equals 33. couple of them back, you can leave it as improper fractions.
Yep.
Hey,
There's two questions that will come into my kid's mind.
okay,
The first question is that the log of, remember you said log of 2 is x plus 1, x minus 4 equals 3,
right at the very top.
at the very top.
Uh-huh,
They would probably say, okay, do I get rid of the log? What am I doing with the log? Cause it seemed like you just let it go, you just disappeared, what happened to it? So I'm just gonna take the 2 by itself, and that's where it gets sticky.
so, I'd be real careful on this one. I would
Okay.
actually present, so this x plus y here, I would say consider this whole point B here as x.
Now, that makes sense, that will make sense to them.
And then consider this
Yes.
whole piece
Mhm.
here as your y.
That's the part they need to see, because when you get to log 2, they'll look at you like, what did you just do?
And then they'll relate it back to it. You can say,
Right.
now this is your x over y.
Now it makes sense.
Makes sense now?
Yes, because they would have been lost.